shout out to Hey Beautiful for these beautiful bags. We are going to begin with the nail kit. Now the nail kit comes in separate bags, packages simply because I order it from different places. Okay, so let me fix the camera really quick. Okay, it's a little crooked, but we're going to deal with it, and the microphone is not amazing, so I do apologize. But first thing from the bag we're going to start with is this cute little purple bag. And this has the products from Amazon, okay? So, first thing in here that we're going to have, now 10th graders, you should have your marker, your permanent marker from last year. Remember I told you that marker should last you the 4 years. I know you're like, a marker 4 years? But you don't waste the ink as much as you think you do. It's meant for just labeling your kits. So the marker from last year, bring it over to the locker box from this year. I'll give you the new Velcro to stick it on your locker, by your locker, or on the inside of your locker. With your products, okay, or your things, make sure you label everything. Everybody has the same thing of everything, okay? So let's go through this. One of the first things you're going to find is a small container of Play-Doh. It's different colors, okay? But you're going to have a small container of Play-Doh. This is for when we practice 3D flowers. You're going to have a Born Pretty gel. It's a builder gel. Now, there's maybe 2 or 3 of you guys that this one is supposed to be the 01 clear. You might have the green one. I'm not 100% sure what that is. I don't know why we got it, but I will say, see me if you have the green on the handle. Yeah, if it's green, that's not the right one. So I've got to exchange it. So see me if you have the green one. But you can take this out of the bag, or out of the packaging. Okay, I'm not going to do that on camera, but you can. Then you're going to have this little container, and it is building gel, non-stick hand. I'm not sure what that means. It's building gel. It looks like this, okay? This one is more like that really thick gel that we have. Then you're going to have, and this is where our scissors and whatnot come in handy. You're going to have 2 of these packages. This is your black Wet n Wild nail polish. You have also a white Wet n Wild nail polish. And this nail polish is for when we do nail art. A lot of the different things that we start with, stamping art. So you have black and white, and then you also have a clear one as well for whenever we are working with our project. Oh, I didn't open that very good, did I? When we are working with our project, when we make nail polish, this is going to be the one that we use. Plus, anytime that we're working with regular nail polish and you are needing a top coat, it's regular nail polish. Now, please know that the nail polish is called lacquer, okay? There's gel polish, but this is lacquer, regular polish, okay? So you have those 3, black, white, and clear. Put these over here as we do them. Then you're going to have this here. This is a rhinestone gel. It's glue, rhinestone glue, but it's gel, okay? Gets very sticky, very, very sticky, just FYI. Then you have this box. So you either have the white box or you have the pink box. It doesn't matter which one you have, as long as you have the stuff inside, okay? There's maybe 8 of you that have a body. You don't have the white one, you have a pink one, and it looks cuter. It's just the packaging. They sent it to me like that from Amazon. I know, Amazon, right? I apologize. So this here, let me move this to the side. And all I do literally is, I know I'm putting it on the table, but I just put all this on the floor. Literally is what I do, because I don't have time to, I don't have time to be doing all the cleaning and you need space. Make sure the box is empty. The instructions, you can throw it away. Really, you don't need it. As it comes with a little brush, Comes with a little orange pusher. Comes with a little file. These two things, nah, you can toss them. You really don't need them. You can keep them. It's up to you. And then you can open your baggie. And inside, and this is just, it's a small, very small kit, right? This is your dip powder, okay? You're going to have your white and your pink for your French dip powder. You're going to have step 1, step 2, and step 3, okay? Step 1, step 2, step 3. This is what came with it, whether you have the pink box or the white box, but this is it, okay? You honestly, you don't even need this. This you can toss it. You really don't need it, okay? But these products are what we need right here. And then you have this box right here. Oh, I dropped my little. I sure did drop my little cutter. So this is the extension gel kit. Okay. You do not, and please don't save the box. You don't need it. You can, you don't have to save the instructions. You do have, this is the poly gel. Okay. You have, let me pull everything out. And then we'll go through it. Okay. So you do have a clamp that comes in here. You can take it out of the container. You have a brush, which you do have one of these that is almost identical. It's in your Burmax kit, so you'll have 2 of these total, but you have this one. You have a bag of Poppets, and you have slip solution, and 1, 2, 3. I haven't looked at it, so I don't know if, oh, it's clear, it's white, and it's neutral. It's the color, okay? So slip solution plus your tools. This is the poly gel kit. Polygel kit, okay? So, instead of Miss Ramirez having a class set of things, of product, right, and now you share, you now have your own. Listen to me. Do not use any of these things until I teach you how to use them, especially this. Do not open the dip powder product until I tell you to do so and I show you how to use these products, because I guarantee you are going to ruin them. They're going to be brand new, and then you're not going to be able to open because they're stuck. Okay? Do not use these things until you learn how the appropriate way to use them. Miss, I do nails. That's great. That's amazing. I love you for that. Do not open these until we open them in class. Okay? These are your products. Okay? Again, this and the other one that rolled away, you can toss it. You really don't need that. I'm actually going to toss it. And then again, you don't need your instructions. These items here are going to go in your kit. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these out of the way, and we will move on to the next video. And our next video is going to be listed under this one.